Hello everyone, Shravan Mantri here. Welcome to our channel CSC Gurus. We are solving HackerRank problems. In the algorithm section, we are going for subdomain warm-up. We are done with these questions and the next question is plus minus. We will see this question. If you are not able to get the question, I have given the link in the description. You can check it out. Given an array of integers, calculate the ratios of its elements that are positive, negative and 0. You must check it out how many elements are positive here, how many negative and how many are zeros. For example, if you take here 1, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1. So 2 elements are positive and you have to find the ratio which is 2 out of total elements are 5. 2 by 5 which is 0.4 like this. And how many negative elements? Again 2, minus 1, minus 1. So 0.4. And how many zeros? Only 1. That's why 1 out of 5 which is 0.2. But the constraint it is giving, when you want to print the output must be a decimal precision number which has to take totally 6 precisions. Here you can see it is asking on a separate line with 6 digits after decimal each value. So you have to print 3 values. 3 must be printed with 6 precisions. If you take another example, minus 4, 3, minus 9, 0, 4, 1, there are 3 positive numbers out of 6. So 3 by 6 which is 2, 3 by 6 which is 1 by 2 which is 0.5, and negative numbers only 2 out of 6 which is 0.3 like this, and only 1 0, 1 out of 6 which is 0.166 like this. The logic is simple here. We have to iterate the total array or list by taking each and every element one by one and check it out, is it a positive number or negative number or 0. How to check it out? A positive number means definitely that element, if I take it as a of I, must be greater than 0. It's a positive number. Increase the count of positive. If it is not greater than 0, check it out, is it less than 0, which means it's a negative number. Increase the count of negative. If it is not greater than 0, if it is not less than 0, which means it is equals to 0, which means increase the count of z, which is zeros. Finally, getting the answer, after getting the answer, just divide the values like p and n and z, divide with total number of elements. Let us suppose it is take as n. But how to get this precision? We will see that in the coding. We will try to write the code now in C language. So there are include libraries, then we are going for the method. Yes, here is the method. Plus minus, where you don't want to, you are not supposed to return anything, that's why void, you just have to print it. And arr underscore count, which is given as the number of elements in the array which must be used when you want to divide it here, and arr is the array of elements. Initially I have taken p equals 0, n equals 0, z equals 0, and I am checking whether the given element, I am iterating over the array, each and every element I am taking I equals 0 up to the count I plus plus. Each time what is the element arr of I, if it is greater than 0, positive count plus plus, else if less than 0, negative count plus plus, else if it is not, finally it's a 0 z plus plus. You will get the counts of how many zeros, how many positive numbers, how many negative numbers. Now in order to get the ratio, you can simply write p by arr underscore count, but you need the precision exactly 6. So in C, if you want to get exactly 6 precisions, you can use the typecasting as float. So float divided by integer, the answer will be a float number where the precision will be 6. So like this you can write. Use the %lf, it's a format specifier. Anyway, the next value to be printed in the next line, that's why slash n here. So 3 values you are printing in 3 lines. We will try to execute this one. Just run the code. Yes, test cases passed, and submit the code. Backend 11 test cases are absolutely passed. So like this easily you can make it. And also I recommend you to watch the top 90 data structure MCQs, and here I kept totally 18 videos which is of 5 MCQs each video. Even I kept all those 90 questions as a single video, that is top 90 data structures MCQs. You can watch this one also, which is almost 4 hours. You can see each one, you can either go for playlist or you can watch it as a single video. We will see the next question, staircase, in the next video lecture. Thank you.